How to force apps into landscape mode on Android. So if you want to rotate your apps while you're using, so for example, if you're using something like your YouTube, Facebook, or anything, then if you want to rotate that application while you're using, then there is a way in your Android device. You can simply go to the upper side, and here you will have auto rotate option. So you just need to tap on the auto rotate, and your phone will auto rotate. So here you will have use auto rotate, right? So if you toggle this on, then it says automatically adjust the screen orientation when you move your phone between portrait and landscape. And once you've toggled that on, you can use this feature, right? So it says automatically adjust the screen orientation when you move your phone between portrait and landscape. So if you toggle this on, you can use this feature, but in some apps, this feature might not be available. So if you want to force rotate, then we don't have that option on Android devices yet, but what you can do is you can simply go for your Play Store and you can install any third-party applications which might be related to force rotate your screen, and you can install the applications and you can rotate your applications from that application. So you can use the third-party application, but without that we don't have any other option on your Android devices. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.